Assalamualaikum and very good day to our beloved lecturer Dr. Murni Zarina binti Muhammad Razali. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Fazira Nur Alia binti Ahmad Fauzi and here's my team members. Today, we present our research topic on the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial management. Now, I will be presenting on problem statement, research objective and research questions. As our problem statement, we can see that 99% of students engage in internet shopping with most computer, electronic, mobile device being the most commonly occurred online. The influencing elements, correlations and data dependability are considerably dependent and there are significant linkage that support the study hypothesis. According to the most recent Malaysian Mastercard study 2012, 67% of individuals did online purchasing in 2011. Besides, Malaysian intent to purchase online is lower when compared to other Southeast Asian countries. Next, the main purpose for this study is to identify and investigate the most often purchased things online as well as the variables affecting university students' online purchasing behavior. There are two research objectives, which is to find out the online shopping behavior among students. Second, to determine the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial expenses and savings. Next, we have three research questions. First one is, what is the online shopping behavior among students? Second, what's the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial expenses? And the last one, what is the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial savings?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Asfar Shaidi. This part shows the conceptual framework in specific areas. There are two types of variable. Firstly is dependent variable, which are student financial management, saving and expenses, while the independent variable is online shopping frequency, online shopping spending and type of product purchases. The framework was constructed to better describe factors that affect student financial management during online shopping. The lecturer review purposely to clarify and focus research problem, also to identify information method and ideas that are relevant to our research. As you can see, our approach while reviewing the literature is broad perspective, as this approach is on the research question as well to pertaining the research issues, the variable concern such as definition, the underlying the theories, models and the characteristic of the research problems. Those listed a definition of dependent variable from previous studies and how a current project is linked to our research. Next, stated in this slide is our hypothesis of our project research. There are three hypotheses that we have listed out from the topic. The first one is online shopping frequency will affect student financial management, saving and expenses, followed by online shopping spending will affect student financial management, saving and expenses as the second hypothesis, and last but not least, the type of product purchases online shopping will leave an impact on student financial management, saving and expenses.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Samir Fikri bin Jeffrudin and I will be presenting the chapter 3, which is the research methodology. This chapter discusses the research design, population, sampling technique, sample size and data collection method. For research design, the type of research that we are using is descriptive. It is about the independent variables that influence dependent variables to simplify the sort of research we adopted. The unit of analysis is on the individuals. The time horizon that we have chosen is cross-sectional research. Next is the population. Population in this research is the students in semester 3, 4 and 5 of Operation Management in UiTM Puncak Alam, and the sample size would be more than 100 students. The sampling technique that we have used is convenience. The last one is the data collection method, which we are using primary data for any references.
Hello, I will start with demographic profile. This section provides a descriptive analysis of the respondent demographic profile. A detailed overview of respondents' demographic is presented in these charts based on the sample that collected by the distribution of questionnaire. The result consists of gender, age, monthly allowance and in what semester they have been seated. This type of scale we gather for the demographic profile are nominal scales. In addition to that, the scale on which the number were allocated to the sample might function as label for the purpose of identification. Within this part, the descriptive statistics of the respondents' demographic profile were discussed. The next slide shows the finding on the student financial management in terms of expenses and savings. This finding based on descriptive analysis. The table above indicates the summary of descriptive statistics for the total mean of each independent variable. As we can see that the highest mean score for student financial management is ES3, which has a value of 4.19 and standard deviation 0.896. Okay, the next slide is about the finding on the factors that impact student financial management are presented, specifically regarding expenses and savings. This section begins with the overall mean score of each category, which are online shopping frequency, online shopping spending, and the type of product purchases. From this section, we can determine that the component contributes the most to the dependent variable based on the factors that has been the greatest score. For the total mean score of the factor, we can see the previous slide shows that the factors that the most contributes to the student financial statement, expenses and saving, is online shopping frequency. This is because this factor is the highest in mean and lowest in standard deviation. This shows that if the factor has a low standard deviation, means that the data are clustered closely around the mean, which is more reliable than other factors.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Azrael Belas and I will continue with the online shopping frequency. As according to our survey conducted, it reveals that 98% of the student population has engaged in online shopping at some point in their life, but only 2% of them have never made a purchase via the internet, and this demonstrates that the student often make their purchase via various forms of online shopping. As for online shopping spending, from the 106 respondents, 47% of them spend around 50 to 100 ringgit per month, followed by 27% of students who spend less than 50 ringgit per month, 70% who spend around 100 to 200 ringgit, and 9% who spend above 200 ringgit per month. With the majority of 47%, this demonstrates that most of our respondents usually spend around 50 to 100 ringgit per month. Lastly, the type of product purchases. Most of the respondents use online platform to purchase sport and fitness product as compared to the other product, with a mean score of 1.92 with 0.265 standard deviation score. These show that students often use online shopping platform to buy sport and fitness product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamil Zihan, and moving on to discussion. Research question 1. What is the online shopping behavior among students? According to the study, online shopping behavior among students are affected by various factors. Some of the factors are online shopping platform, satisfaction of the product purchase, price of the products, method of payment, allowance, and the influence from family and friends. Data collected shows that the most significant factor that plays a big role in the studies are allowance, price of the product, and recommendation by friends and family. Price and the recommendation of other customer are two the most significant factor to consider while shopping online. Okay, now moving on to the research question 2. What is the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial savings? Online shopping behavior has a significant relationship with student financial saving, as the student tend to buy products online. In supporting this, we can see based on the data collected in the questionnaire that 44.3%, which is the highest percentage among students, strongly agree that online shopping does help them to save money. The youth market has a lot of opportunities to take advantage of online shopping, according to the findings of a study conducted by Dolokia and Usurtola in 2002, which investigate the connection between age and internet purchasing. Younger consumers reported doing more of their shopping online. Okay, now moving on to research question 3. What is the impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial expenses? According to the study, there is a positive impact of online shopping behavior towards student financial expenses. There are factors that affect student financial expenses, which include a promotion, online shopping platform, online shopping frequency, type of product purchase, and amount of spending. Most of the students resulting in using Shopee as their platform for online shopping, as Shopee has a special date every month of giving promotion. It is possible that buying online will help you reduce expenses by offering goods and services that are less expensive than those found in conventional retailers, which typically include the cost of rent and other overhead costs in their asking.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum.